Whoa, Dennis, hey, you should let me do the talking in there, okay?
Why?
Why? Because if you cough in there, they're not gonna run us the castle because they're gonna know you have COVID.
You bitch! I don't have COVID, okay? I'm not gonna cough in there. You think I can't pinch off a cough? I will do the talking. Hi there. Beautiful day, isn't it? Grand, as you say.
I think what they say is top of the morning.
Nah, that's a stereotype. Yeah. Excuse my sister. She's not very good at talking. So we are actually here looking for.
Uh-oh. Oh, gosh. You okay there, Dennis? Looks like I'll be doing the talking.
No.
We will be looking for a castle, and we are very interested in modern amenities, please. You know, your thermostats and your remotes and shit like that. Are you jotting any of this down?
Yeah, right. So, sorry, you caught me a little off guard is all. So you're looking for a castle. Is he all right?
Yeah, he's okay. Well, yes and no. You know what it is? He's a mongrel.
No.
And that's why I've always been the talker.
Bitch.
Oh, boy, did you hear that? Yeah, here he goes. Here he goes. Yeah, we have to keep him in the basement in America. Because one of his tics is that he brutally masturbates himself. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he does a real number on it. Yeah, he's shredded it down to a little tiny little nub at this point, is what it is. No, he's saying, down there's barely anything left. That's what he's saying. There's nothing left down there. Yeah, so I don't see you doing a lot of castle searching.
Bitch.
He's also allergic to sheep.